For this week's Marketing Minute, I have a challenge for you, as I always do. The challenge this week is to go and take a picture or a video of the tool that you can't live without in your business. For me, that would be my trusty calculator. I actually use one of the old fashioned mortgage calculators on my phone, the one that I put in all the information and figure out my mortgage calculator. Whatever that looks like, it might be your computer, it might be your favorite pair of shoes to go show properties. Whatever that unique thing is, make a quick video explaining why you can't live without it and make it kind of fun and lighthearted. And then ask your audience, what is the tool that you can't live without in your industry? And maybe even do a tag in the comment with somebody that you know has something that they can't live without, something kind of funny, and get their engagement. You will get a lot of back and forth if you can get people involved in the answer of what is their favorite unique tool that helps them be successful in their line of work. This is a fun, lighthearted way of connecting with your audience and letting them see a little glimpse into the day and the life of you as a realtor or a mortgage lender or real estate professional. Go make it happen and get some marketing done today. We'll see you next time.